Hello everyone, this session I will demonstrate you the Navy-based classifier model on the KNIME tool for the cosmetic shop dataset. So these are the attributes in my dataset. So customer ID we will ignore here. Then these are the 4 important parameters. Based on these parameters, we will make the prediction whether the customer will buy the cosmetic product or not. So age of the customer, then income of the customer, then gender and marital status of the customer will help, or with the help of these attributes, we will train the model or build the model using Navy-based classifier, and then we will use this model to predict the class of the new query. So this is my data set. We have a total 14 records in the data set. For simplicity, we are using this 14 data set, records in the data set only. But if you want the good accuracy of the model, your data set should be as large as possible. So this value should be in the thousands, right? So now we'll see how you can build this model using KNIME tool. So you can select here, you can create your new project. So here my project is Navy-based classifier project, right? So the name I have given here, NB, right? So now you can select your file reader, because we required here file reader to provide input to the data model here. So here my data set is in the CSV file. So instead of now file reader, I'm using here CSV reader. So you can drag this CSV reader here, and my model is the supervised learning model, right? So here we need training data set and the testing data set. So I need here 2 CSV reader. So once you have selected the CSV reader, you can here configure the CSV reader by providing the data set to the model. So my data set is in the here I'm giving the data set in the CSV file format, right? So now you can say apply and OK, right? My node is configured successfully. Then here the same data set I want to give as a testing data set. So I will check here my training accuracy, training data accuracy. So my data set is in the D drive in the CSV format that I am selecting here. So you can keep your data set in any folder, and that you can select here. So my data set is now in the CSV format. Okay, now both the nodes are configured successfully. That's why light become here yellow. Then you can execute this model. Now I want here the Navy-based classifier model. So I want to select here analytics, go to the analytics, then go to the mining option, and then there is a base option. So you can select here Navy-based learner. So input to this Navy-based learner is my training data set, right? Because my data set is small data set, I have taken same data set as a testing data set here, right? So now you can configure this node Navy-based learner. So here you need to mention the classification column. So here BICE is the my decision variable or class column that I have mentioned here. Then you can say apply, okay. Then you can execute this node here. So my color become here green. So my node is executed successfully. Now, once your model is ready, the output of the Navy-based learner is the model, Navy-based model that I want to provide as an input to the predictor. Now I have selected here predictor from the analytics option. So input to this predictor is my output of the learner. And here I want to provide the testing data set as another input to this predictor, right? Now I can execute this node. So definitely I want to provide this data set as an input to the Navy-based predictor. So my Navy-based predictor will take this trainer or learner to predict the class of the records in the my testing data set, right? So now you can execute this node here, and you can see the output of the predictor. So here my suitable technique for this classifier is the interactive table. So you can go to the menu views option here. In the views, if you observe, lot of visualization tools are available here. Lot of visualization methods are available here. So you can select the suitable a suitable visualization technique for your classifier model. So here my model is the classification model. So I will select interactive table. So this is the interactive table here. So my interactive table will give you the output of the classifier. So you can configure here in the configuration. We can say the default values, right? Then you can execute the model. So a green signal indicate my interactive node is executed successfully. Now you can observe the output of this table. So if you observe here in the interactive table, right, along with the input data set, my input data set have these rows here and columns: age, income, gender, marital status with the actual class label, and one more is the predicted class label. So this is the prediction given by the model here. So if you observe, my actual output is no, and predicted output is also no. Here it is no, here also it is no, here it is yes, it is. But you can observe here fourth row is misclassified, wrongly classified by my model. My actual class label is S, but my predicted class label is the no here. So this is error in my model. Similarly, sixth record is wrongly classified by the model. So by observing this, you can just check whether what is the accuracy of the model. So two records are misclassified. So you can see the statistics of the accuracy also in the KNIME tool with the help of scorer. So in the analytics option, there is a scorer so that you can select. See, analytics, mining, scoring functions are available here. So you can, for classification techniques, you can select here scorer. So input to the scorer is my output of the Navy base predictor. So you can give input to the scorer here. So you can configure this. So in the configuration, you need to mention here the first and second column. So first column is nothing but the actual class label. So that is my bias column, and the second column is my prediction or the predicted column by the model, right? So with the help of these two values, right, the scorer will measure the accuracy of the model, right? So my scorer is configured successfully. You can execute this and you can see the statistics here. So confusion matrix, you can observe here, there is one false negative record and one false positive record. So as we observe in the data set also, two records are misclassified or wrongly classified. So this is my confusion matrix. So these are the out of 14, 2 are wrongly classified and 12 are correctly classified, 4 and plus 8 here. So also you can see the statistics, accuracy statistics of your model. Here I want to show you this statistics. So here, if you observe, my recall is given 88.9% for this model. Then precision, we are getting 88.9% because here only two records are wrongly classified. So sensitivity, specificity, F measure, these are the same. Only accuracy, there is a change because accuracy formula includes here the all these values, true positive, false positive, true negative, false negative, and that's why my accuracy value is 85.7% here. So this is this accuracy statistic of my Navy base classifier here for the cosmetic shop dataset. I hope you are clear with this. Thank you.